Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create finance depth control for business design using lighting effects in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and placing a finance-related image. I take a short pause to understand where depth is needed. I duplicate the layer immediately. Inside lighting effects, I adjust the light angle to create subtle shadows. I slow down here because finance design should feel stable. I lower brightness slightly and smooth the fall off. I zoom in to protect business text and icons. I zoom out to see how depth improves clarity. Now I add business finance wording and align it with the light direction. The design now feels structured, balanced, and professional. Thank you for watching. Keep